Let's talk about those moments when life just stops or goes into chaos. When everything you built, every plan that you had, and every ounce of motivation just disappears overnight, all because of one event. That's exactly what happened to me when Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica on October 28, 2025. No electricity, no water, no internet. The electricity and internet are still not restored even today, November the 7th. All we are feeling right now is just heat, silence, and a whole lot of waiting around. Oh, for the first 72 hours, I couldn't do a single thing. No video uploads, no video editing, nothing. And as a content creator, that's very difficult. You start feeling like the world is moving on without you. Like your momentum is gone. But because I used to upload videos every day, now I can. But that's when I realized something important. You can't always control the storm, but you can control how you respond and react to it. When the electricity was out and the walls started to feel like they were caving in on me, I started asking around, people who knew more than I did in the community. And through word of mouth, I found out that there was a community center nearby that still had Wi-Fi access outdoors, even though the Wi-Fi was slow. So I got in my car, I parked outside, and I made it my little mobile studio, if you could call it that. In fact, I'm in my car right now, feeling hot, but recording this video in front of the same community center outside. Every single day since the hurricane, I sit in my car for 4 to 5 hours creating content just for you. I bring water, snacks, my phone, and a plant. Once I get to the community center, I prepare all my topics using my phone. And I also get help from ChatGPT, just like I did today. Then I would record everything on my phone, upload straight to YouTube Studio, and then I would head back home before it got dark. And it gets dark very early, very early. It's not easy. It's humid, it's noisy, and it's uncomfortable, but it was possible. And I had to do it. And that's what I want you to hear today. I want you to hear this. Even when everything falls apart, you can still find a way to stay on track and fulfill your goals. There's this illusion in content creation that you need the perfect setup, the perfect lighting, the perfect atmosphere, the perfect background, a quiet room, the fancy cameras. I'm not saying that is not true, but sometimes your biggest growth happens when all that gets stripped away and you have to wing it. When you're forced to create from your car, that is great content. When your internet is a hotspot that barely works and is slow, when you have to plan, record, and upload on the go, it is not easy. That's when you're going to discover what you're really made of and how committed and consistent you actually are to your purpose and your goal. Consistency isn't about having the perfect conditions. No, it's not. It's about showing up for your audience with what you have and where you are at that current moment. And the truth is, that kind of focus builds the kind of creator who will last. Because this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. That's also why I built the Income Stream Workshop Video Bundle, just for this kind of situation. Because while hurricanes and interruptions might slow you down, your income doesn't have to stop with that. In my digital bundle, I walk you through how to build multiple streams of income so that you can keep earning even when life throws a curveball, a storm like this, your way. It's not about hustling harder. It's about working smarter, building digital foundations that stay standing even when everything else is shaky. So if you're ready to stay consistent, creative, and profitable, no matter what life brings you or what the conditions are, my digital bundle is where you would start. I highly recommend it. The link will be in the description below, and I promise you, it's going to change how you think about creating content forever. If you're going through something right now, anything. Maybe you've lost your motivation. You feel like quitting, or your environment just isn't ideal. I understand. I get it. I've been there. Never give up though. Keep being persistent and consistent. Because guess what? It's going to pay off in the long run. Trust me, it will. You might not be able to fix everything around you, but you can control one thing. And guess what that is? Your focus. And focus doesn't need electricity, if you ask me. It needs a little Wi-Fi, of course, but it needs commitment more than anything. So keep showing up, adjust your conditions, and remember, even in a hurricane, your dream is still standing. It's still there. If this spoke to you, please subscribe for more videos like this. And before you go, check out my video description where I've listed all the content creator tools that make my mobile setup work for me in this situation, from the software to specific websites that create shortcuts for me. Because sometimes it's not about the perfect setup or condition, as I stated before. It's about the perfect mindset. And that's something that no storm, no hurricane, no situation can take away from you. I know you got this. And guess what? As long as you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell, and you're around to receive all the value that I provide, I got you too. And make sure that you hit the notification bell. Make sure, because in my next video, I am going to share how I make money creating my own Facebook group, Facebook Live, and on other Facebook groups. Because money is given away on Facebook. Trust me. Their content monetization program is so different from YouTube, and you don't have to work so hard. And I want to share that with you as I get to learn. I know enough because I'm earning money there, but I'm always constantly learning, and that's so important. You know, and so when I come here in my car to record, I am also uploading on Facebook as well. But what I want you to know is that I'm here for you. Please don't give up. Please don't give up on your dreams, because life throws you lemon. Make lemonade out of it. Yeah. Utilize your skills, ask for help if you need it, and I'm here for that. Do your research, empower yourself, seek out advice from people even in the Facebook groups. There are people who have Facebook groups about running a YouTube channel. Sign up to some of them. Engage. Ask questions. It's okay to need help. It is. So please never give up when life happens, because life is always going to be happening as long as you're living. Thanks for listening, and thanks for watching. Take care now, and remember to like and subscribe and share this video with someone who may need it. Thanks again. See you in the next video.